Mahindra XUV3XO. Folks, meet an affordable Indian newcomer hitting Western streets. Mahindra's XUV3XO. While Chinese automakers get most attention, India's throwing its hat in the ring with this compact crossover that embarrasses local competitors on price alone. At just under 13 feet long, 3,990 millimeters, it sneaks under India's tax break limits. But get this, they stretch the wheelbase to over 8.5 feet, 2,600 millimeters, for maximum interior space. Now, what's under the hood and what's it cost? Base models pack a 1.2-liter turbo gasoline engine making 111 horsepower, paired with a manual transmission. In India, this starts at 799,000 Indian rupees, roughly 10,000 US dollars. Pay extra and you get choices: an automatic transmission, a beefier 130 horsepower engine, or even a 1.5-liter diesel putting out 117 horsepower. When the XUV3XO landed in Australia, with Europe coming soon, prices jumped. Base models start around 17,000 US dollars there, topping out near 19,000 for the fully loaded version. For that money, you're getting a 10.25-inch touchscreen with digital instrument cluster, dual-zone climate control, and a chilled glove compartment, panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, Harman Kardon audio, and a 360-degree camera system, standard adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and 6 airbags, even on the base trim. Why should Americans care? At just over 10,000 euros, about 11,000 US dollars, European brands give you plastic hubcaps and roll-up windows. But this, you get alloy wheels, legit tech, and India's engineering hustle, all promising a 5-star safety rating. Personally, that price-to-features ratio could seriously shake up the market. Couple fun facts. 1. The XUV3XO shares its platform with the old SsangYong Tivoli. 2. Mahindra claims every export model undergoes tougher testing than domestic ones to meet global certifications. Bottom line, this isn't just bargain bin wheels. It's a wake-up call to European automakers. Asia means business, and the competition just got real.